Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday, 15th December 2020. Subject is math. Topic is time exercise number 6A and we will do question number 3. So open your math countdown book. So students, today our topic is time exercise 6A, question number 3, page number 171. And question number 3 is select the correct answer. So students, first of all, you have to remember 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. Okay, next move to our question number 1. 1 hour 20 minutes is same as. Students, they give us four options. A option is 80 minutes, B 120 minutes, C 90 minutes, and D 45 minutes. So how we will know that which is the correct answer? Obviously, students, first of all, we will solve this question. 1 hour, as you know that one hour is equals 60 minutes. Okay, so this is very important to just think in your mind this important point. 1 hour is equals 60 minutes. So now let's start to solve it. Students, as you can see here, 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, first of all we write the question, 1 hour 20 minutes, and then students, or as I told you that 1 hour is equal 60 minutes, so I will multiply 1 by 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, and then we will add 20 minutes. So 61 is 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Okay students, you can see here 1 multiplies 60 there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so we write here 60. So 161 is 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. So now we will add it. 60 plus 20 is equals 80. So we get the answer 80 minutes. So students, you can see here this is our answer. So tick this answer, 80 minutes. Okay students, now move to the next number 2. Midnight comes after 12 noon, 1 a.m., 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. So students, as I told you that midnight comes, when midnight comes after 12 noon, 1 a.m., 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. So just have a look. Students, you can see in this chart that and you know that each day is made up of 24 hours. So a day ends at 12 midnight. As you can see the moon. So a day ends at 12 midnight and a new day begins at the same time at 12 midnight. As you can see in this diagram, 12 midnight a new day started. Okay, and 12 noon is the middle of the day, and then at 12 midnight the day completed. 12 hours, from 12 midnight to 12 noon there are 12 hours, and that time is AM. And after 12 noon to 12 midnight the time again there are 12 hours, but that time is called PM. Okay students. And students, one more important point, how you understand that midnight comes after. Okay, so students, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon. Okay, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called AM, and the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is called PM. So obviously the midnight started before 11 p.m. okay, because this time is 12, this time is after 12 noon, the time PM is started. So It means we have the option 11 p.m. So 11 p.m. and then 12 p.m. So 11 p.m. is our correct answer. Okay, student, you can see in this watch also. The student, you can see here that when the time is 12, okay, when the time is 12, you can see here 12 noon, this is 12 noon. So after 12 noon p.m. is started. So now 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. in the same way, these are p.m. Okay, after 12 noon the time started in p.m. So then 10 p.m., then 11 p.m. So it means after 11 p.m. midnight started, because after 11 p.m. the time is 12 p.m. So midnight comes after 12 midnight. So midnight comes after 11 p.m. So after 11 p.m. midnight started. Number 3, a day ends at 12 noon, 10 p.m., 12 midnight or 11:59 p.m. Students, a day ends when the day ended. As you know that they tell us 12 noon, but noon is the morning time, the daytime. So this is wrong option. A day ends. We have to confirm when the day ends. So 12 noon is the daytime, as you know, when you are in school. So that is not the end of the day. And 10 p.m. 10 p.m. means when you offer prayer at 8 o'clock in the evening, in the night, then 9 o'clock you go to bed or 10 o'clock you go to bed. So that is 10 p.m. And you know that after 11 p.m. the time is 12 p.m. So 12 p.m. is the midnight time. So you know that the new day started from 12 midnight. Okay. So 12 noon is not the correct option. Why? Because this is the half of the day. When from the 12 midnight, both of these hands take full round. Okay, this R hand, it takes full round of the face of the clock. When it takes full round one time, that time is 12 noon. Okay. And when it takes second round, as I told you in my previous lecture, when it takes second round, then midnight started. And you know that midnight, when midnight started, the new day started. So obviously when the new day started, the day also ends at 12 midnight. So our answer is 12 midnight. Number 4 is how many minutes in 3 hours? So how we will understand that how many minutes in 3 hours? Can we calculate from our clock? No, I think it's very difficult, students. So may I give you an easy method? So how you can understand how many minutes in 3 hours? Okay, let's start. They give us 4 answers: 120 minutes, 180 minutes, 240 minutes or 140 minutes. So how we will understand which is our answer? 3 hours. Students, as you know that 1 hour is equals 60 minutes. So 3 hours. First of all, we will write 3 hour. We will write 3 digit as it is and we will multiply it by, as you know that 1 hour is equals 60 minutes. So students, we will write 60, 3 multiply 60. So students, 3 digit will come as it is, and hour, as you know that 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So hour mean 60 minutes. So we will multiply 3 by 60 and then we will get the answer. You can see here 60 multiply 3. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 6 are 18. So you can see the answer in the options, 180 minutes. So where is the answer? This is our answer, 180 minutes. Okay, then last one is 15 minutes before 6 or 45 minutes is. So how we will understand in an easy way, students? You can also use your clock that before 6:45 is 15 minutes before 6:45 is 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m., 6 p.m. or 6:15 p.m. What will be the answer? Okay, students, I will explain you with two methods. For example, you can set your clock as 6:45, 6 and 5 nines are 45 minutes. So 6 are 45 minutes. Okay, so just set your clock in this way, and then before 15 minutes you can count backward. You can see the divisions 5 and 5:10 and 5:15. So it means the time will be 6:30. Okay, students, so you can set it like this, because you can count it, you know that there are 5 divisions between two numbers, so 5 and 5:10 and 5:15. So you take your hands back, take your minute hand back 15 minutes, and you just 6 and 30, you have the time 6:30 p.m. And there is another way also. You write 6:45, and then from 6:45 you just subtract 15 minutes. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 1 3, and 6 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, there are two ways. If you have watch in your hand, you can do in this way, and you can also do this method. Okay, I hope you understand this question number 3 of page 171. Students, if you feel any problem, just tell me in the comment box. Okay, take care.